Hi, welcome to the demo of Collections Dashboard. This is a powerful solution designed by Perceptive Analytics to help companies track rent collections, identify legal risk, and follow up with tenants more effectively. We built this dashboard for a property management firm. It is designed specifically for the head of operations. At the top, we have a summary view of rent status across all tenants. We have 4 key metrics showing how many tenants haven't paid, how many are delayed for 2-3 months, how many are already under legal action, and how many need legal follow-up right now. Next set of visuals break down pending rent by tenant count, delay duration, and amount due. They help us quickly spot how severe the dues are, whether it's many small amounts or a few big ones. The next table gives us a clear view of all tenants who haven't paid, along with their property, rent amount, and pending balance. The color highlights make it easy to spot who needs urgent follow-up. The next section gives us a complete view of rent collection across each property. It's a quick way to compare properties, spot where collections are lagging, and prioritize outreach based on risk. Now let's take a closer look. We begin with the summary visuals at the top, and 2 key insights jump out. First, 61 tenants have an outstanding balance of over $10,000 each. That's not just a delay, it's a significant amount stuck, which could directly impact monthly cash flow if not recovered on time. Second, 116 tenants haven't paid rent for the past 2-3 months. These cases are clearly overdue and should be tracked closely to avoid further delays. Together, these segments highlight the most urgent areas for the collections team to act on. We can simply click on the bar above and the table below filters down to show those 61 tenants. Along with rent and balance details, we also get contact numbers right here, making it easy to follow up. This section gives us all the tenant level information. It's also color coded, so we can immediately spot which cases are overdue, which ones are under legal action, and who needs urgent follow-up. Green rows indicate tenants who haven't paid for the current month. Yellow rows indicate tenants with no payment for 2-3 months. Blue rows indicate tenants already under legal action. Red rows indicate tenants who now require legal action. For example, we can see that this particular property has an outstanding balance of $433,267 and the row is marked red. This indicates that the case requires legal action. If we hover over this row, we also get follow-up notes like previous email attempts or calls, so we instantly know what's been tried and what's pending. Now below this, we have the property balance table, which gives a summary view by property. Each row here shows how much rent is pending in that property, broken down by categories like 2-3 month delay, legal action, etc. This helps us identify problematic properties quickly. For example, 9th Street property stands out with over $1.3 million in dues just for the current month and another $1 million under legal action. That's a major red flag. The next step is clear. We must reach out to the building manager at 9th Street and understand what's causing the delay. With this dashboard, teams can quickly identify high-risk tenants for faster rent recovery, take timely legal action based on clear payment insights, improve collection efficiency with tenant-level visibility, enable better cash flow forecasting and financial planning. We are your trusted data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.